Hey guys, my name is Haley.
My sister
we made it
busted
to the
my
water park.
nose. My aunt busted my nose!
We made it to the water park now. We're going to our room. I'll show you the door because we decorated it for my sister's birthday. See, look, we got balloons and a happy birthday thing, and he's having difficulty. Hey guys, so we're done with the water park. I got some on the waterproof camera. Not sure if I'll be able to upload that or not. Right now, I'm waiting for my little cousin to get out of the bathroom, and we're gonna go eat. We are gonna go eat dinner before we go bowling, and then they got the all-you-can-eat bowling and tacos from 11 to 2 a.m. So we ran upstairs real quick to get my sister's hoodie, so I'll go give you a quick little tour of the hotel room. We decorated the door for her birthday, my sister's birthday. She's right there. Walk in. Bathroom's over here. We got lots of clothes and stuff on the floor. We have a table here where we keep some snacks. There's a little mini fridge, a table. We got 2 beds, the chair. There's stuff everywhere because we have an adjoining room with my aunt. 2 beds. She's got a lot more snacks, TV, and yeah. I'm in my family: brother, sister, mom, dad, me. And then my aunt, uncle, my little cousin. They have this room. And then my other uncle meet us out here. My uncle, his 2 kids, and so my 3 cousins. Andrew, Madison, and Alan. So they're here too. They might spend the night. So that's a total of, there's 5 of us, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12 people in 2 hotel rooms. People are going to be sleeping on the floor. A little. So that's my sister Faith. It's her birthday today. Happy birthday, Faith. Oh, look, we also decorated here.
If you went on YouTube, I would tell you to go to...
So, oh, and we even got, I'll show you what we got for her birthday. We got these 2 balloons, a little thing of chocolate. That's our waterproof camera.
Why do I feel like my hair?
She got this little container with hair that we put hair bows in.
Monkey!
And she got this little sock monkey bunny thing.
Where's the key?
And we put it all in this little bag. So, yeah. So, we're going to go back down to the restaurant. We still haven't, we're sitting down now, but we still haven't got our food yet. We've ordered. It's on its way. We just came back up to get her hoodie. No, absolutely not. She's trying to jump down.
Show me.
See, look. No, get down.
Oh, mother.
She hurt herself. She sprains her ankle all the time because she doesn't walk right. Anyway, see you guys after we eat. Andrew's bowling. That's Washington. And there he goes. Cool. Alan's turn. Watch out, it's heavy. There he goes. I'll show you guys the end scores when we get there. Okay guys, so we got home. My mom and dad, brother and sister, are going to go get some food and go get my sister an ice cream cake for grandma's today. And I'm going to go inside to let the dog out. And I thought I'd show you how excited she gets when we're gone. Even though we've been gone for less than 24 hours, she's going to freak out. So, I'm going to record that for you guys. Hey man, you could go potty? You want to come out? Watch, she's not going to freak out because I have the camera. Hi, Zizi's. There you go. You're like a little worm. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys. So that's it for this vlog. Thanks for watching. We had so much fun with the bowling and just exploring the hotel and stuff. And the water park. I was able to record some of us at the water park. It is on the waterproof camera that we have. I'm not yet sure if I'm going to be able to get that footage off the camera onto my computer and upload it, because I'm used to uploading off of my phone. So, if I am able to do that, and I remember to, I will link the link to the water park vlog in the description box. So, and if you want to know when I upload more videos and see more with me and my family and dog, then subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.